how to fix the Windows Kernel Power Event 41 error. So the Kernel Power Event 41 error usually means your computer shut down or restarted unexpectedly. So I can just go over and follow out these fixes for that. So we can start by checking out power settings. You can press Windows plus X for that and go to the option for power options and click on it to open it up. Now within here, we can just go over and guard for additional power settings. So you can guard for power mode and ensure this is on balanced in plugged in. It's balanced, and you can just go over and do so. If not, from here, we can instead use control panel. So type in control and open up your control panel, and there look out for power options. Go to view by, go to large icons, and look out for power options here. Go ahead and find it up and click on it. Once you go over there, look out for change plan settings under balance. And there you can look out for change advanced power settings. And again, what we can do is we can set turn off hard disks to never. So find hard disks in this one right here and ensure this is on never. You can make it 0 and click on apply and complete it. And within power options as well, you can choose what power buttons do. You can change settings that are currently unavailable. So we can go to advanced power settings for the power plan, and there you can look out for fast startup, and you can just go over and save the changes after unchecking it. Also, updated driver, you can just go over to device manager, press Windows plus X, device manager, hit enter, and there start updating your graphics driver. So look out for your display adapter, graphics driver, right click on it, select option for update driver, and search automatically for drivers and update it to the latest version. Also check your RAM, press Windows plus R, there type in mdsched.exe, hit enter, and you can restart now and check for problems. You can select this option right here, and this checks for RAM error. Also, you can run system file check. So you can open up CMD as administrator, type in CMD, after that run as administrator, and basically go ahead and type in SFC space and type in /scan now and hit enter, and that should appear the corrupted Windows file. That will take some time, so you just need to wait for this to be completed. And even if your PC overheats, it can trigger the event 41 error, so make sure your CPU is on normal temperature. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.